Hi all, welcome back to our channel. So today I want to discuss about key properties of a set in Python. So let's see one by one. First, let's see the introduction. So this is the introduction. Now, sets are the important data structures in Python. In Python, sets are the very important sets for the data structures. And here they provide a way to store unique and unordered elements. So here a way to store unique and that means unique elements and unordered elements. That means here they provide a structured way to store elements and unordered elements. Now let's see property 1. So first one is unordered collection. That means sets does not maintain the order of elements. Here the elements inside a set does not follow any specific order. When printed or iterated, the order may change. Here is an example. So here I'm taking a set and I'm just printing this, and here the output where is ordered. So next property, unique elements. That means sets automatically remove duplicate values. It removes the duplicate values automatically. So here is the set and here I assign some duplicate values. When I am printing the set, it automatically removes the duplicates and it gives the unique values. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is property 3. Here we have a mutable, but elements must be immutable. That means we can add or remove elements from this set. So here, however, the set elements must be immutable. For examples, here we can say the numbers, strings, tuple. So these. And here is an example. Here we have 1, 2 in set, and function we have 3, 4. Now, this is the invalid. That means lists are mutable. So then it can't be in a set. Now let's see property 4. So this is the no indexing or slicing. So here no indexing and no slicing. Unlike the list, set does not support indexing. So it does not support indexing. And here we have a 1, 2, 3 and set. So it prints my set of 0. So here we are accessing indexing, but the set does not access indexing or slicing. So it will cause an error. Next one is property 5. So here fast membership checking. So that means checking if an element exists in a set is fast rather than in a list. That means here we have an example. Here we can see that my set equal to, I taken some values and print 3 in my set. So here we have 3. So it gives a true. That means, for example, if you have here in 3, I'm giving 6. It gives a false. That means why? Because here we don't have any 6 in this set. So that's why it prints a false. Here we are giving 3 number. Here we have 3. That means in set we have 3. So it gives true as an output. Now let's see the property 6. So it supports set operations. That means set supports union, intersection, difference and other operations. Now here we can see, here I am taking two values, that means A and B. A set contain 1, 2, 3 and B set contain 3, 4, 5. That means here we have unique, both sets we have same unique element in, same elements in 3 and B also we have 3. So here union means the union of two sets combines all unique elements from the both set. So here we have 3 and here we have 3. So it gives union as output 3. And also here it prints duplicates are removed automatically in the set. In set automatically duplicates was removed, and in order is not guaranteed. The order is also not should be guaranteed. And next one is a difference. So difference means the symmetric difference gives the element that are in either A or B, but not in both. And it removes elements that exist in the both set. So it removes elements then existed in the both sets. Next one is intersection. So intersection means the two sets given only the common element present in the both set. And we can also implement these in practically, then we get the clear clarity about these. So let's see practically. So here I'm taking example for the unordered elements. So now let's run this. Here I taken a set and I assume some values and I'm printing this set. Now let's run this. So here the order may vary. That means it gives an ordered way 1, 2, 3, 4 in ordered. And so next one is duplicates are removed. That means here it removes the duplicates automatically. Now let's see. Here I am taking duplicate values in a set. So set is automatically removes the duplicates. So here we can see that it removes automatically duplicate and it generates a unique element. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there is no any duplicate values. So next one is sets are mutable, but their elements must be immutable. That means a set itself is mutable, meaning you can add or remove elements. However, each element inside a set must be immutable. That means unchangeable. And it allow elements, numbers like int, float, string, and tuple. So these elements are allowed. Not allowed list, dictionaries, or other sets. Like we can see this example, then we can get a clarity. So I'm just running this. So here we print 1, 3, comma 4 and hello. So this is an output and here there is no any order value. It is an unordered because set is an unordered. Next we see how invalid set example. That means it contains a mutable list. So I'm taking just this line. And I'm just checking here. So here I'm giving a list because list does not accept insert. Let's run this. By giving the print, you have to give the print statement. Print of my set. So now let's run this. Here we get an error. So here we can see unhashable type list. That means list in set, the list is not acceptable. So here we get an error because 3, comma 4 are mutable, meaning they can be changed. And also Python does not allow mutable objects inside a set because sets requires hashless elements. So this is an unhashable type. But the Python sets requires hashable elements. Now, how we can fix this code? That means how we convert these list into a immutable tuple. So now let's see. Here we have to give the set function. Then we can access this in set. Now let's run this. Here we have to give this one as a tuple. Now let's run this. It will be executed successfully. See here we can see that it will be executed without error. So like this, we have to access the elements. So next one is here in set, it does not allows any indexing or slicing. So I'm accessing index. Now let's see, it will get an error because it does not allows indexing or slicing. So this code generate an error. Now let's run this. I am accessing here indexing 0. So he in set, it does not accept. Let's see. So it will get an error. Set object is not subscriptable. So here it does not accept any indexing or slicing in set. So So next one is fast membership checking. Let me run this. Here I given 3 because 3 is in my set. So it generates 2. Otherwise, if I given any number like 6, it generates false because 6 not in the set. Let me run this and now it generates true because 3 is in taken set. And let me know here I'm giving 6 and 6 is not in the above set. So it will generate false. So here we can see that it will generate a false. So this is the fast membership checking. Now let's see the next property. So next one is set operations. Here in set operations, we have a union, intersection, difference. Now let's see how the union is work. Union means it generates only once and it does not generate any duplicate values. So it all generates only once unique elements and it removes the duplicate values from the both sets. And intersection means, let's run this. So intersection. In both A and B, we have a common elements 3, 4. So these both elements are generated. By using A and B, we can generate or we can use this function also. Next one is difference. Now let's see. Let me run this. So here A minus B, that means here in set B, all elements was removed and here common elements in set A 3, 4. So these elements also removed and it only generates 1, 2 for the first A minus B and print A dot difference B. So these both are same. So it generates 1, 2, 1, 2. And here B minus A, that means in set A, it removes all the elements. And in set A, we have 3, 4 in set B also. So that means here we have the common elements. So these also removed and it only generates 5, 6 for this program. Here we have 5, 6 and 5, 6 for these both lines. I hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.